Good morning, children. Jayadash here. Today we will do a new chapter. We will start a new chapter, comparing quantities. Chapter 8. From your NCERT book, it is chapter 8. Now, in this exercise, in this chapter, we have to do some new things. Obviously, uh, in our daily life, I have written some introduction part also, just you read it. In our daily life there are many occasions when we compare two quantities. Suppose we are comparing the heights of Hina and Amir. Suppose we are comparing two quantities, the height of Hina and Amir. See, the height of Hina is given 150 centimeter and the height of Amir is given 75 centimeter. If you start comparing these two quantities, we have to use a new mathematical term, ratio. Next another example is, say, speed of a cheetah and comparing with the speed of a man. Speed of cheetah, say 120 km per hour, and speed of a man 20 km per hour. If we start comparing these two quantities, then also you can use the new term ratio. In the given case, height of Hina and height of Amir is given 150 centimeter and 75 centimeter, as you have seen from your book. Now, to find the ratio between their heights, ratio between their heights is, height of Hina is to height of 150. The symbol of ratio is 2. The symbol is like this, and you have to read as is 2. 150 is to 75. 150 is to 75. Or what you can do, 150 by 75. This is to sign means you can write in this way also. This is also a ratio symbol. Now cancel it. You can get 75 ones are 75, 75 twos are 150. That means 2 by 1, or the answer in the ratio form 2 is to 1. Then the height of Hina and Amir in the ratio form will be 2 is to 1. When you are writing in a ratio, that there will be no unit. And the most important thing, to compare two quantities, the units must be same. When we are comparing two quantities, the units of the two quantities must be same. If they are not same, then you have to convert their units, they are same units, then you can start their comparing. Otherwise, the comparison will be not correct. Understood? Now we will start our exercise. Exercise 8.1. Question number 1A. Question number 1A. Rupees 5 to 50 paisa. Rupees 5 and 50 paisa. Check, these units are not same. So we have to convert them into same unit. Rupees 5 means rupees 5 equal to 500, 5 into 100 paisa, and 50 paisa already given. Therefore the ratio is equal to 500 paisa is to 50. As they are now in same unit, we can find the comparison between the two parts. Now the two quantities we can compare. rupees 5 to 50 paise. Rupees 5 is 500 paise, 5 into 100, so 500 paise. 500 paise is to 50 paise. Now as because their units are same, then we can write in this way: 500 divided by 50. Cancel this, you can get 10 by 1, that is 10 by 1. The ratio become 10 is to 1. This is your answer. Understood? The ratio, when you are comparing two quantities, first of all you have to make their units same, then in the division form you have to write the ratio and cancel. If possible you cancel it out, and afterwards the simplest form you have to write, and there will be no units. Next question is, now next question number B is 5 kg to 210 gram. Again they are not in same quantity, 15 kg to 210 gram. 15 kg, now convert this 15 kg into gram, 1000 into 1000, then it has become gram. 15 kg, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. You know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Therefore 15 kg is equal to 15 into 1000 gram to 210 gram. Now both are same quantities, so you can do the ratio now. Therefore the ratio between 15,000 gram is to 210 gram. 210 gram. Now both are in same quantity. Now write in the division form: 15,000 divided by 210. Gram cancel out, 0 0. You can have 3 7 ja, 3 5 ja. I think it is completed because you can't divide it more. Now the result is 500 by 7. Therefore the answer is 500 is to 7. When you will give the answer, you have to write in the ratio form, and remember there will be no units. Next question is question number C. We will write 9. It is given that 9 meter to 27 centimeter. To convert 9 meter, you know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 9 meter is equal to 9 into 100 centimeter to 27 centimeter. That is 900 centimeter to 27 centimeter. 900 is to 27. Now write it in the division form: 900 by 27. Cancel it. 9 3s are 27, 9 hundreds are 900. Then what you will get? 100 by 3, and the ratio form it will be 100 is to 3. Whatever the numerator part you will write in front, and the denominator part you will write at the end. And this is your answer. Question number D. 30 days to 36 hours. 30 days to 36 hours. 30 days, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. You know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. To convert 1 day into hours, 30 into 24. hours to 36 hours, 0, 3, 4, 12, 7, 720 hours to 36 hours. Now both are in the same unit. So what will be the what you have to do? You have to write it in the division form. 720 by 36. Cancel it. 36 1 ja 36, 2 ja 72, 20. The result is now 20 by 1, and in the ratio form you have to write 20:1. Understood? I hope this new chapters comparing quantities will be easy for you, but as because it is new to you, so you have to practice it more. If you have not if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the class. Thank you, students.